Security isn't just about protection, it's about confidence, control, and peace of mind. At LiveSecure, we provide cutting-edge security solutions tailored for construction sites, corporate offices, and residential buildings. From advanced surveillance systems and real-time monitoring to on-site security personnel, we ensure that your assets, property, and people remain safe 24/7. Construction sites are high-risk environments, but with our mobile security solutions, remote monitoring, and theft prevention strategies, your project stays protected from start to finish. In the corporate world, security is key. Our access control systems, alarm monitoring, and mobile patrolling solutions can keep your business running without disruptions. For residential buildings, we offer Concierge security, smart home integrations, and rapid response services back. Safety starts at home. At LiveSecure, we don't just provide security, we build trust. Get in touch today and let's secure what matters most to you. Visit us at LiveSecure.ca to learn more.